To turn on or turn off fingerprint animation on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and IOD. Next, tap on screen lock and biometrics. Here we enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. Then go down and tap on fingerprints. Next, choose show animation when unlocking. So for faster access to your device, we want to switch it off. Here you can see when I turn it off. And if I use my fingerprint, there is no animation this time. Otherwise, we can turn it on to show animations. That will make your device looks more slickier. So here we can turn on animation. Sorry, I think animation is still off. So here I'll turn it on this time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.